Hey everybody, I'm Joey and today I'm back with another bite-sized cooking hack. Today we're going to answer the question, what is a pork steak and why you should be cooking this tasty cut right at home. Now follow me and let's check it out. So what is a pork steak? Well, it's tasty and that should really be enough for you to want to learn more. This incredible cut comes from the pork butt, which is an absolutely terrible name from the pork shoulder. That's right, the pork butt comes from the pork shoulder. We recently visited a butcher who showed us how to take an entire pork butt and cut it into these tasty pork steaks. So just take a look at this right here. Look at it, would you? It has a ton of connective fat. And as you've heard me say before, the fat is where it's at. Now this type of fat really needs to be broken down to become tender and edible. This is a largely regional cut of meat that really should be on store shelves across the nation because it is so incredibly tasty. I'm here in St. Louis and they're easily found around town, but due to the St. Louis accent, they're typically called like park steaks or pork snakes, but they are pork steaks. Get it right, people. Now, when you find them in store shelves here in town, they're typically cut thin, about a 1/4 inch thick, and that's fine for braising or a real hot and fast grill. We actually showed you how to do that in another video with our friends from Code 3 Spices. But I was the judge at a pork steak eating contest a few years ago, and it literally changed my life and how I prepare these. A smoked pork steak really needs to be about 3/4 of an inch thick. This is the same cut that they use for pulled pork. Exact same, only it's cut into these steaks. One key difference, one reason why you should be doing this at home instead of pulled pork is because when you smoke a pork shoulder, you're really limited on that surface area. A lot of that meat is on the inside and it just doesn't get the bark or the seasoning. Well, this solves that problem. Why? Because look at all that surface area you get on both sides. That's gonna mean more bark. That's gonna mean more flavor. Why am I smacking this meat? I don't know. It's a lot of fun, just like smoking these at home. If you wanna try this for yourself right at home, just head to your local butcher and ask them to cut you steaks from the pork butt. If they don't know how, just share our video with them. We have a butcher that shows them how to do this step by step. Look, if you guys like this video, you know the drill. Go ahead and hit that big thumbs up like button, or even better, subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss an adventure. We release a new video every single week where we show you how to turn up the tasty right at home. Who knows, we may even be featuring these park snakes here in the near future. I'll see you guys soon.